Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am here in Manton, Kolkata. This is a street side nursery, and in the month of October and November, which plants you will buy. Just see, there are lots of varieties of plants are here. All the foliage plants, flowering plants, fruiting plants, everything you can buy in this time of October and November. This is the right time to purchase all the seasonal flower plants and all the winter plants. Just see what are there for you here. This is the all the seasonal flowering plants. This is marigold. This is from cutting this bunch of 5 plants, and if you want you can buy 5 plants bunch around 10 rupees, or 20 plants around 30 rupees or 40 rupees. Here you can buy some lots of guldauti or chrysanthemum seedlings also, and some of the brinjal or eggplant you can see around 6 inch tall. This is the stout plants. You just buy it, you can grow it in pots in containers. This is balsam. You can get one bunch of around 10 plants around 10 or 20 rupees bunch. This balsam, this is right plants for growing in this season. Here are some of this kalancho. Kalancho are the best for winter season plants. You can see the flowering here, the flowering options. This is the orange color. Varieties of red, pink, orange, varieties of color of kalancho you can buy around 100 to 150 rupees. You can get the kalancho, and around the all the winter season you can get the flowers. This flower stays for around 2 to 3 months. So this is the right time to buy kalancho, best plants for winter season plants. And if you want you can get anthurium also, but they are bit costly, around 300 rupees. Here some calathea are also very nice. There's foliage, some exotic foliage plants around 200 rupees. You can get this calathea or tristar or these varieties of aglaonema plants. You can see the red aglaonema or lipstick aglaonema, lots of varieties, and some arrowhead plants also. And if you want you can get Arelia also. This is a cheap plant, around 50 rupees. You can buy this dwarf Arelia. Lots of looks very nice. And some of these aglaonema or Dieffenbachia varieties of hanging baskets plants are also available here. You can see some marble queen variety or the regular green or golden variety of pothos or money plants you can again buy. Around 20 to 30 variety of foliage plants, hanging baskets you can buy here. Beautiful plants you can get here. If you want you can get cryptanthus or some tristar variety cryptanthus. This is the star plants. You can earth star plants, beautiful exotic plants, and they comes in 20 to 30 color options varieties. And some of these succulents also you can buy. This is the right time to buy succulents, because in scorching sun and a hot summer you cannot buy this, but it's winter season is the best to get some of these cactus or succulents. This is the right time to buy. Or if you want you can buy some permanent plants also. Lots of varieties of permanent plants, especially this some gural variety, some of this hibiscus. Or if you want you can get bhinka also, bhinka or sadabahar. This is all some of these exotic varieties, and some are hybrid varieties also, bhinka or sadabahar. This is the periwinkle. And some calathea also, calathea or tristar plants also available here, you can buy. And lots of some of the spider plants, varieties of spider plants you can get. And some of the pennywort plants also are available here. And some, if you want you can get some pots also, maybe some pots of plastic pot or some ceramic pots also. Here are also you can see lots of foliage plants here. And some ficus microcarpa. You can do beautiful some of this beautiful bonsai with this ficus microcarpa. They are specially made. And varieties of seasonal flowering plants, as well as this ficus microcarpa or some of the regular ficus plants, varieties of ficus plants, or some of this song of India. Beautiful, all are varieties of some beautiful foliage plants also. And here are some you can see night blooming jasmine. This is parijat or harsinger. You can see this plant around 2 feet tall in only 6-inch pot. And all the stems you can see, tip of the stems are full of buds of these flowering plants. This starts in October flowering, and up to February you can get flowers from here. and this is lots of herbal medicines importance also, and some of this vastu importance also. This is the plant, you can see around 100 rupees you can buy this plant. This is the flower of this night blooming jasmine or parijat or harsingar. Lots of people now are growing in their garden or in pots. This is the beautiful hybrid variety of this plant parijat or harsingar. You can just buy around 100 rupees and you can grow there. Some this is the right time to buy some of the roses, because roses are the best plants you can grow, and winter season is the best to get the roses plant. Here are around 100 rupees. If you go to visit to nice nurseries, you can get in 50 rupees you can get these roses. All are English roses, and if you want you can buy aloe vera also. 2 to 3 varieties of aloe vera also you can buy. Around 50 rupees you can get aloe vera. Some of this amla also, amla plant. Lot of people now worshipping this plant, amla plant or sami plant. These are now in fashion of growing amla plant or sami plant, or some of the banana plant for worshipping or puja purposes. You can get all the varieties of plants. If you want you can get here, and varieties of pots, all kinds of organic fertilizers, chemical fertilizer pot, earthen pot or ceramic pot, plastic pot if you want, and all kinds of insecticide or fungicide and herbicide if you want. Proton plants also available here. Some of this Song of India plants and different kinds of flowering plants also. Especially the pentas are now beautiful plants. Pentas, you can make hedges of pentas plants also you can grow in here, and some mandevilla also. Mandevilla you can grow right now, and some of these star plants also if you want you can grow. Coleus also. In behind you can see lots of varieties of pots, and lots of varieties of fertilizer, manures, various kinds of manures, and lots of things, everything related to gardening here. Diffenbachia also, and you can see the ixora. Some of these marigold plants are also here. So if you want you can buy ixora, different varieties, mini or dwarf or tall variety of ixora you can grow in your pots, and some of this cotton rose mallow, and if you want you can say lemongrass also, and Orocaria or Furcaria. This is the right time to grow Orocaria. So these are the plants in the Manton supermarket, right in the roads of this DH road near Behala, Manton. So this is the right time to grow buy many plants here, and all kinds of fertilizer or gardening related things you can buy here, and these are easily available. Just park your car here on the roadside and you can buy there all kinds of plants. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.